Hi guys, today I decided to document this or take a video on this on how I will make our dinner. Our dinner is Hainanese chicken. So I boiled water with this is 3 liters of water, and what else did I put? 3 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of magic syrup and half teaspoon of pepper. What else did I put? Ginger, garlic, onions, and some onion leaves for the flavor. So this is unsalted chicken, and then I let it rest in the room temperature for about an hour and a half. So it will be not so warm, but room temperature. So we will just dip it in here and we will boil it for 2 minutes, and then we will turn off the fire, and then we will just cover it and let it soak there for 60 minutes, and then we'll see. So now I will put the chicken. And after this, don't throw the liquid or the stock. We will use it to make chicken rice. So voila! See you later. So the chicken is ready, and we will take out the bone. So I learned this method from my Singaporean chef. I was working with him in Shangri-La, Boracay. You can see that there's still some like a little blood, but it's from the bones. So later, before we serve it, we will steam it for a few minutes. And here is our ginger. Ginger, you want some chicken? Huh? You want some chicken? Ooh la la. Sit. Good girl. So now our oil is smoking hot, and here is our sauce, ginger sauce. So there's ginger, spring onions, and salt. And if the taste is not yet or it doesn't satisfy you yet, you can add a little bit sugar. So and our Hainanese chicken is ready, and our chicken rice. So we will eat it with these condiments. Our ginger sauce, and also you can dip it in ketchup manis or sweet soy, and tada, sriracha. So let's dig in. Boom. Enjoy. So, here's our judge. Come on. Ngiluya mo ba, Jeans? Sarap ba? Masarap?